Kitty cat, come back. Kitty cat. No.
Fail.
Hey, say hi, sir.
Hello.
I remember, what's her face used to do that with us? Lori.
Yeah.
But she used to make us do it with a saddle on, which was very... Shamrock! Yeah. Shamrock. You should walk him around. Walk him around.
I am. No.
Turn, Shamrock, don't be a piece of crap. Just nudge him a little bit.
Okay. Stop walking back. I've been here for a long time. Okay, I can feel you moving because I'm starting to slide off the back. Forward.
Come on now, Shamrock. Told you he's a piece of crap.
Forward march.
No, I'll
Forward
take...
one step. No, you will not.
I'll just take you out.
No.
Just walk him around. Sir, you won't die. Trust me. Very hard.
Come on, forward.
This, you will not plummet to your death. He is 2 feet tall. There you go. Just steer in. You have reins.
Yeah, I know. I just...
Are you scared?
No, Sammy, I'm fine. Go.
Walk around. But not towards me. Around. There is a fly on my knee.
Oh, this way.
You're just gonna follow me.
This way? Sure, just follow her. Don't run. We'll start spotting.
I'm just kidding. Don't pull, then he'll get angry. See, I was just gonna stop. Now he's not gonna move.
Good. Victory.
Here, man.
No. Can't go anywhere, man.
Shamrock. Sir, you suck.
I am empowered. I am in control of the reins. Therefore, I am in control of the horse. Walk on! Yeah, I know.
Like that way. Go away a little more. There.
Oh, I got my horse. Straight. Straight, fool.
Kitty cat. Come back. The cat's not going anywhere. Oh, Shamrock.
He walks so lazily. He's just like,
She's a fat little pony.
idiot.
No.
Kitty cat.